Hi everyone, this is the one I previously did. So this is actually a table with some compartments, drawers, and as you can see there are so many parts here. Okay, so what are we going to do now is to do an exploded view of this drawing, this table. Okay, why exploded view? Okay, I'm going to write you what it explode mean exploded view. Okay, exploded view is good for product design because we want to see how many parts are there, some major parts or minor parts and whatnot. So the minor parts, usually everything, when you explode everything, this is normally when you buy component like hardware tools like drills. Bosch, normally they have this total exploded view. That means every single parts of the screws, everything can see. But in this case we are not going to go to that extent. Okay, what I'm going to show you is a very simple illustration of exploded view, because that is the only way that we can suggest to whoever that's going to view our sketch or our proposal, okay, in detail. At least they know how many parts are there in a single piece of product. Okay, so let's try. So first of all, I use this box size, but I'm going to elongate it a bit. I'm going to use 0.1. Wait. So I assume this is the table. Okay. We're going to put it high up because we're going to stretch the rest downward. So I'm going to do just a simple, you can't really see it actually, but as you go along, the perspective more skewed, it goes like that. Okay, see? So I'm going to use 0.1 because this is supposed to be an invisible line. So this is just a sketch, so you don't have to have the creeps line so much. So this is like a glass top. We have to divide this into parts. The last one is here. So divide this somewhere there. So I'm gonna use 0.4, at least to make it more bold. 0.3. It looks a bit rough. It depends on my mood because I've been using a lot of tablets lately that my skill kind of run off because tablets do not use hand movement, they use a lot of once I'm familiar with that technique, so I kind of like off with this technique. So this is the lower part. Amen. Very messy, sorry. Very messy. But the form is there, so I'm not gonna stop. Just wanna do, even though I made a lot of mistake, doesn't matter. You want to see the form, right? So that's what most important here is, to see the form. Sorry. So there you go, some basic form, because we have a small here. Okay, this will be the last remaining part, the rubber stopper. Alright, so we're gonna draw this stopper underneath here. We're gonna just position somewhere around here. And somewhere around there. And also here. Something like that. So with indication of the hole where you're going to, because this is like a glue, so they have like a plate on top. It's like that. So this is the hole where it goes connection from here. So sometimes people also draw a screw like that. So you must use this profile, this. Okay, so you have to draw a screw, how it's mounted. And this part also you have to draw a screw, how it mounted. Okay. And this one is we just gonna drag out, because this is the drawer. Oh shit. So this is the drawer. So it is out. More or less. Just give some thickness to the drawer a bit. Alright, so you can keep one drawer in if you want to, but normally people will explode it together. So, but we're not gonna show that. Just show one part is good enough. So that is basically how you do exploded view. Later when you want to use marker, you can do the same thing. So you can also label it like this is glass top, glass 10 mm thick. This is middle shelving. Whatever. So this is the base. Okay. You can also mention this is drawers, right? So I'm gonna use marker now. Don't want to waste my battery, and then we're just gonna do some bit of touch-ups, and you will see the finishing the finishing illustration, the finished illustration. Okay, now we're done. Okay, from here, from this image, we explode. Sometimes I overlook the size, so I made some mistake, but never mind. As you can see the form, I'm not gonna redo it again. Okay, but this is the best that I can do. Alright, for now, spontaneously. So as you can see now, I have all the label: glass 10 mm thick, connector glass, this is the middle shelving, base, this is the base. Okay, I did not really put some runners because I don't decide about runners yet at the moment, but here, so this is the drawers. Okay, and then that's the knob, and then this is the rubber footing. So I include all those things, and this is the part where you connect. Wait, I should put a bit of hole here, just an indicator, right? Probably that the screw will go up here. Yep, like that. So you don't have to mention about the screw. If you want, also can, doesn't matter. But you can also put indicator. If you need, you have to put a tablet here. Okay, screw type. So this is A. So you say A. Okay, screw type B. This is B. You know, and then you give a name to it lah. Whether it's Allen screw, whether this is what connection or whatnot, Philip head screw or whatnot. So okay, try to use marker. Okay, I already included. I just forgot to mention just now. I forgot about this glass, so I always add another second glass shelving. Alright, supposed to rest on top of this. Alright, so I did not mention anything about the material yet. Probably we're gonna change this to wood. So if you change this to wood, you can also specify as a number, put here wood, you know, the name first, sorry, and then the name like base. Or you can use this metal. This is what they call the drawer. So you must have a small tablet here if you want to put some proper list. Okay, so I guess that's all. Very rough, but as you can see the form is there, and you know, this is what I wanted for you to do. This can also apply to my lighting design class. You can try this. Okay, if you want, you can try different form. Yep, and it also goes for my furniture design class as well. So let this be a practice for you to learn more about product design. So exploded view like this is very important because you want to know, you know, how it assemble. So yeah, this is the best methods for freehand sketch. Okay guys, try this, and okay, I'll check on your progress. Okay guys. Okay, bye.